with a Chevy Impala. I have a 07 engine light on, as you see. It's gonna be a quick video. We about to do I got a code p0118 right here, as you see. Show you right there. We focus. Okay, you see p0118. It's the engine coolant temperature sensor. Easy job. Make sure before you even check, before you even change it, you check the connector. See if it's damaged. If not, we're going to change the actual sensor. I got the sensor right here. Okay, there's a new one. We're going to change that because my connector is good. There's no cuts, nothing's burnt, and no corrosion. So I know it's the actual sensor. And usually you'll get it'll say engine hot, AC off. Turn off the AC. It'll pop up here. Mine's not popping up today for some reason. Weird. But yeah, so all you gotta do is change that sensor, and that's it. First things first, let's disconnect the battery. Take the negative off the battery. Make sure the engine is cool before you start. Okay, let's remove the negative terminal right here. 10 mil right here. Spin it off. Okay, this should be coming off. Okay, now this is the coolant sensor right there. Oh yeah, if you have an engine cover, take it off first. Then you could start this. I don't have one. Now this is the coolant sensor right here. You follow this wire. You see these two wires right there. You see that connector right there? Okay, so get in there. If you get in there with your finger, try and get it. Take it off like that. Go. Put it to the side. You see, my wire is good. See, mine's, you see how it's broken over here. But if these connect to the sensor good, it should be working. Okay. So, okay, this is a 19. So I'm getting there with a 19 and take it out. This is how I'm getting it. I got a 19 deep socket on there with a flat face ratchet. Okay, that's what I have. Got this from Harbor Freight. It's like almost $30. Okay, now we're gonna try to spin it out. Well, loosen it. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna use this to loosen it. 19 to get in there, cause with the socket, it's gonna get stuck in there. All right, so let's put this in there and remove it. Make sure you put your pan under here, so when it drops, catch the coolant. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. If you're curious. Now we're gonna put the new one in. Boom. Okay, so when you tighten it, put your connector on and connect the battery, and you should be good. Once you put battery terminal back on, everything is good. Check your connection. Engine light should not come back on. Make sure you take it for a test drive. Make sure the computer is set, ready to go. So if you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram. Use Mechanics. If I helped you out, give me a like. and subscribe. Later.